Guys, it's Talha here and welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 4 or might be the final part on modeling classic house in Revit. So you can see I have already modeled these roof tiles here. If you don't know how to do this, you can just watch my tutorial. I will put the link in the description. Anyway, now we will work on this part because we have to remove some wall reveals here, so we are going to be using void to do that. So just go to south elevation first. Let's change it to shaded. Now go to component and just select model in place and just look for the walls. Okay, so just go here in the void forms. You have to select void extrusion and we have to set the work plane. So just go OK and select this wall. You can see this wall highlight, so just click. Now let's create a rectangle here from this corner to this one, like this. You can see from the corner of this fascia to the other one. Now extrusion end, we will just give it 2 or 3 inches, I guess. Let's give it 3 inches and just go finish. And if we go to 3D, we can see this void here, so we have to cut this. So just go here, select cut geometry and just select this wall and then the void extrusion, and do the same with this wall as well. So just select this wall and then you will see this. You see, we can see the void form here, so just click and we have cut this part. Now go to the south elevation again and we will create this here also. So just go create void forms, select void extrusion and just set the work plane. I think it's already set, but we will set again. So you can see we will set this to this wall, then just select this rectangle and create one like this. It's lagging too much because the file is very heavy now. Just use this align and just align this line to the corner of this fascia and just give it 3 inches and go OK and just go to 3D and go to modify, select cut geometry, select the wall, just hit tab key to select this wall, then just select this void extrusion and do the same here. So do the same here also. So just select cut geometry, select this wall and then the void extrusion, and we have cut our wall, but you see we have to cut the floor also. So we will not use the same void to cut this floor, we will create another one. So just go to south elevation and let's create another void. So just go create void forms, select void extrusion, plane you can just select from here. No, I think maybe we need to set again. So just go and select the face of this floor and then just create a void like this and give it 3 inches. Okay, see we have our void form here. So select cut geometry and select this floor, then this void, and we have cut our floor also. Same here. Elevation. Just go to create void forms, void extrusion, set the work plane, and just create a rectangle. Okay. Go to 3D and just select cut geometry, select this floor, and then just go finish. So the windows are going outside, so we will take this back. So just go to level 2 and select. You have to select the curtain wall. You see, you don't need to select the mullions or any other thing. Just select this curtain wall, all these three, and these three as well. Just hold control key to select multiple, and now just use arrow keys to take them back like this. Now it's not going outside of this. Now let's do this here as well. So I finished doing this, and now we will add columns here. So go to level 1 and just go to architecture, select column. You have to select architectural column, then just go edit type, duplicate, depth we will give 1 foot, and width we will give 1 foot 3 inches, and let's give it the material. Okay, and now you have to place it here. You can see we have our void here, so we will align this to the void. So go to modify, align, and select the void, then the column. Go to 3D, and we have our column here. So select this and just change the top level to level 3. We want this only until the sunshade, so we will give it the top offset, negative top offset. So go here, top offset, just make it -2 feet, 10 inches, and it's okay. Now select again, and we will change the this offset also. Let's give it for 1 foot. See here, there are these small gaps here because of the wall reveals. To fix this, you need to go to level 1 again and just select this column and zoom in. Just hit the right arrow key once And now go back to 3D, and oops, we have to do a bit more. So just go back to level 1 and select the column, select this, zoom in, and just take this to the right. And now you can see we have fixed these gaps. Now we will create this column here also. So go to level 1, select this column, and just you copy this from here to here. Then we will just select this column and just take this right a bit so that we can fix these gaps or the wall reveals. Now we will add walls around it so we can easily apply wall sweep. So because we cannot apply wall sweep to the column, so we have to add the walls. So go back to level 1. So we will create a very thin wall around the column. So go to architecture, wall, edit type, duplicate, we will make it 0.1 inches, edit 0.1 inches. Okay, now we have to give the height exactly the same as the columns. So this offset will be 11 inches, and top constraint we will make it until level 3. We will give a negative top offset, so -2 feet 10 inches, and just select this, pick lines, and select location line, finish face interior, and just place wall like this outside of the column. Here also now we will create the new profiles for the wall sweep here. So go to file, new, family, select the profile family, open, and let's create a profile here. So select line from here and let's make it 6 inches by 4 inches. Now let's save it as, call it column 1, because this will be for the top, and we will create another one for the base. So let's create something like this. So I have created this profile for the base. So just save it as family and let's call it column 2. Save and close this family template. Now we will insert those two families into this project. So go to insert, load family and select both of, where is it? Now select both of these and open. And now go to architecture, select wall sweep and go edit type. First just duplicate it. Now in the construction here we have profile, so just click here and select column 1 and let's give it the material. So just type the material name and OK. Now you can see, just place it wall sweep like this. Now at the base profile, so select wall sweep again and go edit type, duplicate, okay, and in the profile let's change it to column 2, okay, and let's just add the base like this. Okay. Now I will repeat this on this column also. So wall sweep and let's place the base one first. Then select the wall sweep again and from here we will select the top one and add like this. Okay, so I will add the columns on these walls as well, so I will just speed up this part. So I have created the columns here and here as well. So I think that's it for this part 4, and inshallah I will try to finish it in the next part. So please like and share this video and don't forget to comment, and see you guys in the next video.